I'm going to share your question with the Vice President because he's the real expert on this panel on financial stability. But I just want to, again, remind you of what I said about the rising bond yields. This is a movement that originated outside the euro area. It is not directly related to the fundamentals of the euro area. And it is different, but we are facing the same circumstances that we feared back in March at the time of the various regional banks and Silicon Valley banks and Signature and First Republic collapses, where again there was spillover and the fear of more of it. But this is something that clearly impacts our own rates. And we take that into account.
Good afternoon, everyone. Well, in a couple of weeks, we are going to release our financial stability review. The financial stability review, is the document where we indicate the main financial stability risks that we have here in the euro area. And I would say that the increases in yields is something that we are looking at very carefully. Why? Because the main risk that we have identified in the past and that it will continue being identified in the near future is very high valuations of different kind of assets. And we have seen that, when you look at these valuations, not only financial assets, as the President indicated before, we refer as well to the real estate market. Well, the increase in yields can give rise to an important correction. So this is something that we are taking into consideration very, very closely. And simultaneously, other factors that, the higher yields can have an impact, mainly on the non-bank financial intermediaries. There we have seen that there is a concentration of potential vulnerabilities in terms of liquidity risks or liquidity mismatches, in terms of credit risk. And this kind of situations that you have an important and pervasive increase in yields can give rise to additional problems for this part of the financial system. That is not totally isolated from the rest of the financial system. It has important liaisons and links with the banks. So the increase in yields is something that we are considering very closely. And, we will make a lot of comments with respect, in our financial stability review about the potential impact that this might have in terms of financial stability.
Thank you, Vice President.